In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background graphics to PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, enhancing your slides with appropriate background images can really make your content stand out. So let's dive right in. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. It doesn't matter if you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, the process should be fairly similar on either system. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the presentation on which you'd like to work. Perhaps you're beginning a new project, or you already have a presentation that you're looking to spruce up with some visual flair. Once your presentation is open, head over to the slide where you want to add a background graphic. You're going to want to start by right-clicking on the slide. When you do, a menu will appear that offers a variety of options. From this menu, select Format Background. This action will open a new panel on the right hand side of your screen, granting you access to all the customizable features related to the background of your slide. In this panel, you'll need to select Picture or Texture Fill. By doing so, you'll enable the option to add an image or texture as your background. Next, you'll notice there's an option to Insert. Click on this button to proceed. Once clicked, a new menu will pop up, presenting you with several options about where to source your image from. For our tutorial, select Stock Images. This will take you to a gallery of professionally curated photos and illustrations, all designed to complement your slides beautifully. Browse through the stock images until you find one that suits your presentation's theme and tone. Feel free to take your time here, as the background image can significantly influence the overall feel of your presentation. It serves as a visual anchor that can help reinforce the message you're trying to convey. After you've found the perfect image, select it, and then click on Insert to set it as your slide background. You'll see your chosen graphic now seamlessly integrated into the slide, adding depth and interest to your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background graphic to your PowerPoint slide, transforming it into something more engaging and visually appealing. Remember, the right background can help emphasize your message and make your presentation memorable. Play around with different images until you find something that complements your content perfectly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.